I am going to go eat at Chuck E. Cheese's because I am so hungry.
Hi there, welcome to the place where a kid can be a kid. Chuck E. Cheese's. How can I help you, sir?
I would like 800,000 pizzas, 40 burgers, 60 packs of French fries, and 90,000 Coca-Colas.
Okay, that will be at your table soon. Here is your food.
Thanks. That was off the jiggy. Oh crap. I'm fat. Oh yeah, so grounded when I get home.
No, H H H H H H H H H H H H H H H H H H H H H H H H H H H H H. Anime bro mini, how dare you get fat at Chuck E. Cheese's? That is the worst thing you have ever done. You are now hereby grounded for 16, 28, 46, 23, 84, 62, 84, 62, W, 89, 46, 29, 46, 73, 90, 47, 49, 47, 49, 47, 39, 47, 49, 46, 34, 95, 74, 04, 73, 04, 74, 94, 74, 95, 67, 49 hours. Go to 12 Infinity Pool UPS right now.